Rainy days on the farm call for homemade blackberry cobbler. After the rain had finally stopped, kids asked me if we can go pick some wild blackberries that are growing on the property. When I was in high school, I babysat for a family of 4 kids, and the kids loved baking and cooking. So I remember one day coming to babysit, and they had a cobbler in their fridge. I could not stop eating that cobbler. It wasn't your normal cobbler that has like a biscuit topping. It was actually a topping that resembled more of a cookie than a biscuit. Shortly after my husband and I got married, almost 18 years ago, I wanted to impress him with my baking skills. So I thought, why not make him a blackberry cobbler? I did not want to make just any kind of cobbler. I wanted to find the recipe that resembled close to the cobbler that I tasted while I was babysitting in high school. After many hours of searching for a recipe in my old cookbooks, I finally found a recipe for peach cobbler using grandmother's old-fashioned cookie crust dough. Since my husband loves blackberries instead of peaches, I figured I can apply the crust dough recipe to my blackberry cobbler. The recipe was an instant hit with my husband. One thing my husband mentioned after eating his cobbler is how delicious the crust was. He said it wasn't your traditional cobbler that has more of a biscuit topping, but he loved the fact that it tasted more like a cookie. My husband did request for next time when I was gonna make him a blackberry cobbler if I could make it with a thicker crust. Now, we're different in this area. I prefer less crust, more fruit. He prefers less fruit, more crust. Let me know in the comments, are you team more crust or you're team more fruit? If you prefer more crust, less fruit, I would recommend doubling the recipe for the crust. If you prefer less crust, more fruit, I would leave the recipe as is. Also, if you are a very patient person, you can wait for your cobbler to cool off a little bit. That would thicken the juices inside your cobbler. But if you're an impatient person like I am, dig in, my friend, and make sure to top it with vanilla ice cream. Take my word, this is the best cobbler recipe, and I hope you will make it this weekend. Oh, and if you're in search of easy summer snack recipes that's also healthy, check out my video this Friday. I will be sharing with you easy and healthy recipes that your kids will love. If you love this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, friends, may your days be simple and your hearts full.